So I go. So I did my indie lab on Retroreflectors. I got the idea from Mythbusters, and I have a clip for you. It's from the episode that they tested the conspiracy theory about NASA faking the moon landing.
There's time for just one.
How do I hook this up to the speakers?
Oh, that would be complicated right now.
Okay.
I think we can hear it.
We can almost hear it.
Yeah.
Final test. And not just any old test, but the ultimate proof of man's moon mission. What's this? A reflector. In fact, it's called a retroreflector. Made of many tiny prisms just like this. And did you further know that the Apollo astronauts were nice enough when they visited the moon to leave several moons on the surface so that Earth-bound scientists could point lasers at it and gather information about the moon?
So what you're saying is that we get a really big laser and point it at the reflector on the moon, and if we get a signal back, that means that we were in fact there.
Precisely. Okay, it breaks down like this. A retroreflector bounces light back at the light source regardless of the angle. This differs from a mirror where the angle of incidence has to be perpendicular. So, if there was a retroreflector on the moon, and we knew its exact location, and we had a powerful enough laser, well, we could detect the reflection and prove there is man-made equipment on the moon.
What are we supposed to be doing?
Technically, first one.
Okay, that's all the interesting stuff. They shoot a laser at the moon and find out that there were retroreflectors on there. So I wanted to see if like retroreflectors really worked, like if you could shoot light at them and then it would come back out at you. And I used a laser to do this. I used a laser pointer, some dry ice to create steam so I could actually see the laser beam, a bike reflector, and a couple mirrors. Like what I would do is I would blow steam on in the general area of the mirrors and then shine the laser point at it, laser beam at it, and take pictures and see if they came back in the same direction. So that's just like one mirror. Like you can see it just goes in and out at the same angle like any mirror is supposed to do. So this was the bike reflector. You guys see those pictures okay? This wasn't really much of a retroreflector. It was more of a diffuse reflector. Like light went in and it went out in all sorts of directions. One probably came back at the exact entry angle, but those are good so that it goes from like a car beam's headlights to the driver's eyes, so that bikers don't get hit at night. So this was the actual reflector. I just got like 2 hand mirrors. I just set them up normal to each other, and then I just shined the light in at one. It would bounce from one mirror to the other and come back out in the exact same direction that it, came back out in the same direction that it went in. And that's it.
Thank you.